So it seems like the Electribe Sampler is a powerful synthesizer, a polyphonic synthesizer. But there is a problem with it. So I can play chords with it, no problem with that at all. And I have this long decay release tail that I can hear when I play chords. But as soon as I want to play extra notes, I mean single notes, all of a sudden it behaves as a monophonic synthesizer. Because as you can hear, it cuts the release tail of the sound. So that's, if you want to use an Electribe as a polyphonic synthesizer, then that is a problem. But I found a way to, I found a workaround for this problem, because I noticed that it behaves like that with the synth engine of the Electribe, and exactly the same thing happens with the PCM sounds, but it doesn't behave that way with samples. So what we can do, if we want to play single notes without the Electribe cutting the release tail, we can record a sample of the sound we want to play with. So yeah, let's say I want to play with this sound, which is basically a saw waveform with a long release. Alright, so we're gonna record this sample, and before that we need to put in at least one note into our sequence. Yeah, that's okay. And then we need to set the pattern length to 4, so we would have enough room for to record the whole tail of the release. Alright, so let's record a sample. To do that, you need to push Shift and Record button, sampling mode on mono. That's good. Sampling source, set it to resampling, and we should be good to go. So at that point you need to push play. Okay, so I did a mistake. I'm gonna fix that. So when I set the length to 4 bars, my note appeared on every bar, so we need to remove the note from every bar except the first one. So let's do the whole process again. Shift, record, sampling note. Okay, everything is good there, so let's go. That's good. Alright, so we have a new sample. Push right. Okay, so let's pick our sample now. Here it is. And so let's switch to keyboard, and as you can see, now I can play these notes without the Electribe cutting the tail. And that of course opens up a whole new level of possibilities. It still acts a little bit weird. For example, if I use the attack, if I want to increase the amp attack, envelope attack, it still cuts the sound. So if you want the sound with an attack, then you have to record a sample with the attack and then use that. But anyway, it's still a good way to work around this, and yeah, so then you can add effects to it, and you know. So yeah, it seems like with this workaround, the possibilities open up so much, and so feel free with this to use this technique and experiment and create your own music. And I hope this tutorial was helpful. So good luck.